Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. This morning in one of my classes, one of my students was describing a rather terrible social faux pas or embarrassing moment that she once witnessed. She was at a wedding and there was a guy sitting down who suddenly lurched to his feet and stumbled over towards the groom, the guy getting married, who was an old friend of his. And as he came up to him and put his arm around him, he wanted to congratulate him on his wedding. But he got the name of his bride mixed up with the name of an ex-girlfriend and basically said in a rather loud voice, "Congratulations on your marriage to Svetlana," when in fact he was getting married to Olga. In his defence, my student added, this guy was very clearly a little bit the worse for wear. He'd been drinking for many hours. If you say that someone is a little bit or very much the worse for wear, you basically mean, in a kind of joking, euphemistic way, that they were very drunk. So you might say, yeah, he went out last night and rolled home a little bit the worse for wear at about 3 o'clock in the morning. This guy got on the bus, clearly very much the worse for wear, and then proceeded to shout at everyone in this mad, angry kind of way. You might also sometimes see the worse for wear being used to describe other things that are in a bad condition, especially because they've been used for a long time. So maybe if you go on a road trip and you're driving off-road quite a lot, or you're driving on bad roads, after a month your tyres are going to be very much the worse for wear. If you go out and you get caught in the rain and it's muddy and you get covered in muck, you might come back looking the worse for wear. Not in this instance because you've been drinking, but just because everything's now in a shabby, bad condition because of the situation that you've been through. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use the worse for wear.